Welcome to dotcom Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to reset a website in Hostinger AI Builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to Websites. And this is my website built using Hostinger Website Builder that I want to reset. First, before doing anything, I highly recommend you to first duplicate your website in order to have a backup copy that you can return to or restore in just in case, because duplicating your website does not take any additional resources or storage or anything. Here, select the hosting plan where you want to duplicate your website. In my case, I only have this single business web hosting plan, so I have nothing to select from. Click on select plan. Website was duplicated successfully. To see your duplicated website, just refresh this page, and this is the same, or this is the duplicated copy of my website. By the way, this website is not published yet. If you try to access it, you will see nothing. So if you want to publish it, click on edit website and click on go live. To make sure that this is the same website, let's give it, or let's check it. And if I click on my original website, it is the same website. Now that I have a duplicated copy of my website in Hostinger AI Builder, to reset your website, it is simple. Just click on these three dots, click on delete. Don't worry about deleting your website. You already have a backup copy that you can return to. Check this box next to I understand that all data on this website and its subdomains will be lost and can't be recovered. Click on delete. Your website is being deleted. It can take up to 10 minutes. Let's refresh this page. Now that my website is deleted completely, just click on add website, select Hostinger Website Builder, here if your old website, or if your original website was using pre-made template, select one from here, or give the AI your website details and it will create you a new website. Let's use pre-made templates. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger Website Builder Masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Let's use pre-made templates. Let's use the same template I was using before. Here, select use original template. Now that my website is reset, because I was using this template, here click on connect domain, click on I think connect your domain or something like that. In my case, I have a free domain that I didn't register yet, so I get this button called get domain. But in your case, just click on go live first to publish your website, close this window and return to Hostinger Website Builder. I want return to this websites page. You will see your new website. It will be on the top of the list. This is my website. Here, click on these three dots, select connect domain, and fill in your original website domain name. In my case, it's benstutorial.com. Do you own this domain? Yes. Click on next. Domain added to your website. Click on continue. Now, if I open my domain, I will see my website in its first state. And this is how to reset a website in Hostinger AI Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.